It's beer o'clock on Real Ale Craft Beer. Today we've got a beer from Salt Beer Company and Pomona Island, and it's a can of their Shoop New England IPA coming in at 6.4% ABV in a 440ml can. Without further ado, let's get this beer out into a glass and see what we get. This is part of the brand new Tesco craft beer range that launched just yesterday, the 14th of September 2020. A lot of people on social media, I put this on my Instagram account, and it was Real Ale Guide on Instagram if you wish to follow us over there. But I put this on as a picture yesterday on Instagram, and lots of people were saying Pomona Island, really kind of a big brewery to look out for in the future. Not a big brewery, but an up and coming brewery to look out for in the future. We got a 2 to 3 finger white head, good levels of carbonation, a lovely straw, hazy coloured beer. Lots of light malt used to produce this beer. It's quite an exciting range that have launched into Tesco's. I drank a couple of them last night. They were pretty decent, back today with this New England IPA. And we're just living in a dream at the moment, isn't we? You got the supermarkets competing against one another, producing, great beer. And that's only going to kind of just knock the quality higher and higher and higher. And then we got all these wonderful craft brewers from around the world bringing out just superb beer. It's never been a better time to be alive as a beer drinker. That's what a lot of people say in the comments box on YouTube. What a great time to be alive. Anyway, let's get the aroma on this beer then. Smells really fresh. Really, really fresh. Wow. It's, dare I say, I'm going to use a brewdog term here. It's spiky and tropical. Super fresh. Super fresh. Fresh pineapple. Fresh passion fruit, mango. Punch bowl, all the fruits in the punch bowl. You get a serving, big large serving spoon. Oh, what are they called? You used to with the stew. You gotta use a big thing. Oh, anyway, it might come to me later on. I might even grab it out the dishwasher because we used it last night. A ladle. That's the thing. A ladle. When you're ladling out the punch from the bowl and put it into your glass, all that fruit, and you get a certain element of that in the aroma. It smells good. Let's dive in. Cheers, everybody. Ooh, that is really pineapple-y. Loads of pineapple, loads of kind of fresh, juicy mango, passion fruit. Oh, I gotta put that down. Stone the Crows. What a fantastic beer. Oh, rubbing my hands together in excitement here. That is fantastic. Oh, and the drinkability. They've treated the water, most definitely treated the water to get it nice and soft. Let those hops shine. Brilliant beer, lovely, really nice, just fantastically drinkable, light kind of wafer like malts. helps to give the beer a platform to really, those hops to really kind of shine. For me, when you're brewing a New England IPA, it's all about building a platform for the hops to shine. So you're playing around with your water. You're making the water nice and soft, so the brewer will kind of, unless they're very lucky to have soft water in the Manchester area where this is produced, the brewer will play around with the water to get it nice and soft. I'm not going to get technical with you guys here, but and then of course they choose the right malts, really light malts that you're just getting. You just draw in the alcohol, you draw in the sugars, should I say, from the malt. That's then getting turned into the alcohol by the yeast, and then there's a speciality kind of New England IPA yeast that they use. That's very clean, so everything's very clean. The malts are very clean. The hops, the hops. Start again. The malts are very clean. The water is very clean and soft, and then where are we now? And the yeast is very clean, and then the hops can really shine, and that's putting the beer on a platform. That's making this beer kind of really kind of shine, and the hops are really there to come out and play and dance around. And they're certainly doing that. They're almost jumping out the glass at me. Of course, I got the benefit. I bought this beer on day one of the release. So it's super, super fresh. It really is. Incredibly, incredibly fresh beer. I'm just seeing if I got any more because it's so good. It is a terrific beer. Should we see what the brewer... Right, water, barley, oats, wheat, hops and yeast. So the oats in the beer are giving it that haziness, that creaminess. Salt and Pomona Island presents Shoop. A New England IPA packed and stacked with tropical hop aromas. We dipped into our bag of tricks to bring you a juicy New England IPA, smooth bodied and low in bitterness, not shy with the dry hop of Vic Secret, Enigma and Motueka. Expect aromas of passion fruit, lime, pineapple and melon. Yeah, definitely the pineapple for me really kind of shone in this beer. Shoop ba doop ba doop. Here we are, they're having a little sing song as well on the side of the can. Okay, it's produced in Manchester by Salt Beer Factory. I say it's Manchester, it's Saltaire. It's not Manchester, is it? Of course, it's Saltaire. Salford. Pomona Island. That's what confused me. Pomona Island are based in Salford in Manchester. And then Salt are based, of course, in Saltaire. So, yeah, me talking about soft Manchester water earlier. Barking up the wrong tree, I'm afraid. Right. Fantastic beer. Fantastic beer. Shall we rate it? Great lacing, great head, lovely looking beer, great carbonation. It's just really good. It's just really flavoursome between the... There's next to no bitterness on the back end. The can of beer was £3. It was £3 in Tesco. You get a little bit of sweetness, followed by all the flavours I've just mentioned, and then a small touch of bitterness on the back end, but it's a really well brewed New England IPA. I like that enough to give it a Stone the Crow's 9 out of 10. It's a 9 out of 10 beer from Real Ale Craft Beer. Please put your comments in the comments box, subscribe to our daily beer and food reviews, give us a big fat thumbs up. Boom! Cheers!